Welcome to the personal property tour for Rose Cottage, Church Road in Leven. This is a beautiful Victorian period linked detached property. You have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3 reception. You also have a study, a separate utility room, lovely kitchen, garage, beautiful grounds and an attic room. This is a stunning property. I cannot wait to take you on the tour. There's so many lovely features about this, but actually even its location is so desirable. And this garden, wait till you see it. I'm going to take you on the tour. So literally this is the property here. How stunning is that? Isn't it just glorious? So it goes all the way along, so you can come inside here, but look at that stonework. Isn't it just beautiful? You've got all this beautiful garden, which I will show you in more detail at the end, but it is fabulous. So if we come into the steps, literally just down this road here, you're literally about 3-minute walk, not even that, and you're right on the promenade as well. But it is beautiful. Isn't that a stunning garden? And we're going to start upstairs, covering the bedrooms, and I shall meet you there. Isn't that beautiful? I'll see you in a sec. Hi there, so we're in the upper landing and I'm just going to take you around the bedrooms. Wait to see some of the features in this property. Wait to see this window. How stunning is that? It's beautiful, isn't it? So lovely. Right, let's do the tour. This is the upper landing, but look at all the detail. That beautiful cornicing and all the surrounds around the doors. Just absolutely stunning. We're going to start with bedroom number 1. Isn't that gorgeous? Such a great space. Look how bright it is. You've got that great bay window from the front. Really nice sized rooms. Perfect place for a dressing table. Overlooks the garden. And just behind that tree you can see the sea as well. That's how close to the beach you are. But it's a lovely big bay window. Really nice sized furnishings in here. You've got the picture rails, you've got the cornicing, you've got all the detail around the windows. Isn't it glorious? Just such a great space. Really large room, isn't it? Great detailing. So that's bedroom number 1. Then we're going to head back out into the hallway. And we're going to go ahead into bedroom number 2. Again, another really good sized double. Look at the fireplace. Isn't that lovely? And you've got nice storage in a cupboard here as well. But look at the detailing on the fire. It's beautiful. You've got a cupboard here too. Overlooks the garden. Again, stunning views across there. Nice big window. You've got this really nice cornicing as well. I love that fireplace. Isn't that beautiful? Great sized rooms, aren't they? Really spacious. Very high ceilings as well. And that's bedroom number 2. We're going to head into bedroom number 3, which is just next door. Again, really quirky, good sized double. You've got this lovely cornicing as well. Nice area at the bay window for the dressing table, isn't it? And again, really nice views, lovely and bright. But great sized room, isn't it? And that's bedroom number 3. Even the detailing around the door is fab. And then we're going to head into bedroom number 4, which is just straight ahead. Again, a good space. It's a nice size single, but it'd be great for a nursery. And you've got cupboard space here too. But again, another nice sized room. You've got plenty of space for freestanding too, and you've got this lovely cornicing as well. And that's bedroom number 4. On top of here, we also have the study room. So again, nice home office, plenty of space. You've got a storage cupboard in here as well. But it's a good sized room as well, and storage under here. And that's your study area. But it's a really nice and open area. You've also got plenty of storage. So you have storage here, and then we have storage there in your bathroom. So you've got this big storage bit at the side here, and then we go into the bathroom area. So really nice bathroom. I love the fact actually that the WC is separate. Makes it feel really nice and airy, and you've got this lovely bathroom. I love the tiling. Again, look how high the ceiling is. Beautiful vanity, floating wash hand basin. Again, really nice and bright. Plenty of storage up here as well. And as I say, the boost of having this designed separately, I really like that. It's lovely, isn't it? And that's your washroom on this level. But again, look at this cornicing. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Super. So now I'm going to meet you downstairs. This is a big house, so we're doing it in little chunks so you can enjoy it. I'll see you in a sec. Hi there. So I'm at the lower level now, so we're on ground floor. Wait till you see the entrance to the front door, which you saw from the outside when we first began the video. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? So you've got this really great entrance vestibule in here. Such a lovely space. Love the doors. Isn't that nice? And you've got this picture rail coming round as well. And that beautiful cornicing on the ceiling. And look at the flooring. It's just stunning, isn't it? Then we're going to head into the first of the reception rooms. Again, look at all these doors. They're great. Wow, how lovely is that? That beautiful big bay window that you're seeing there overlooking your garden. And again, you've got this stunning cornice in detail. And the ceiling rose. It's just beautiful, isn't it? But you're distorting the colour a little bit here because it's so bright. But look at that lovely big bay window overlooking your garden. You've got a garden window to the side there too. You've got a feature fireplace there. Such a lovely room, isn't it? Just a great family room. You could have a nice chaise lounge here as well, but it's so nice. And that's reception room number 1. We're going to head on out into reception number 2. So again, even this lower hallway, when you're looking up the stairwell here to that beautiful picture window that we saw earlier. Reception number 2, again, a great sized reception room. But look at that fireplace. Isn't that beautiful? Lovely features. And again, you've got this cornicing, you've got this beautiful ceiling rose here as well. But look at all the wood trim. And then the bay window, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I haven't seen that before. I'm going to take it closer so you can get a good look at it. But isn't that beautiful? Again, overlooking the garden. And the panelling is just stunning. Such a great space. It's a lovely second reception room, isn't it? So you can have an informal one, you can have a nice formal one, but actually you could also make one of these a bedroom. So if you wanted one level living down here, you could absolutely do that. We've got reception number 3, which currently is utilised as a dining area. So again, a really great dining space, as you can see. And storage here as well. Nice big window. But it's such a great room. And then we come out in here, and the reason I was saying about potentially making one of those rooms a bedroom, if you wanted one level living, you could do that, because you have a shower room down here as well. So you have this great facility down here, nice shower room. And again, the WC is separate. I really like the fact that they've got the WC separate. It's quite unique, I haven't seen that in many properties. So you can see how I mean that you could have that one level living down here and really make a really worthwhile, workable house, and all the kids upstairs. In here you've got this utility space. Again, this is not a kitchen, this is your utility room. It's such a great space. So you've got all this storage, plenty of space for your white goods. You've got a cupboard here for storage as well. But actually you've got the bonus of a shower room in here as well. So you've got 2 wash facilities downstairs and that big bathroom upstairs. And then from here, we're going to head back on in to the dining space, and then I'll take you through into the kitchen. So again, a nice dining space, plenty of storage. They're big rooms, so you can really be creative with your furnishings. Lovely, isn't it? Then we're going to head into the kitchen. So again, you may want to open that up into that dining space, perhaps make even one of those reception rooms a big dining room. This takes you to your rear door. It's a nice sized kitchen, isn't it? You've got your integrated appliances, you've got your dishwasher, you've got your double ovens, you've got your hob, your extractor, you've got room for your white goods as well. Nice window there, plenty of storage up here, really workable. What I love about this is it leads out into the garden. So that's a real big plus. We'll go back out into the garden and let you enjoy this. But it is just stunning. Could you imagine living here? So lovely. So you have a gate to the side. So you've got this gate to the side here, room for your storage, for your bins. You can walk down here. You've got your parking at the rear as well. But you've got such a flexible garden here. And I've just seen the bird running away with one of the grapes. How lovely is that? So you've got plenty of space for growing if you want to do some growing. You've got all these raised beds. Hello, Pools, I see you. And someone's enjoying the sunshine. But you've got all this lovely colour. Again, multiple seating areas. You've got this really nice seating area here. Lots of walkway area down here. Literally, this is Church Road, so you're just walking down there and you're right onto the beach. How fabulous is that? And the garden's quite raised as well. It's lovely and enclosed. But look back at the house, isn't that beautiful? So you've got this great garden. You can actually come in from here as well. So you've got a nice gate here if you've been to the beach, just walking straight back up. But it is fabulous. I'm going to go over the wee stepping stones. I just love this garden. You've got all this mature growth here as well. You've got a nice seating area here too. But literally all you can hear is the birds. Isn't it beautiful? And all the blossoms are just starting to come out too. So you've got this great seating area here. You've got all this lovely trimmed garden area here too. All leads up to the front door, which you saw. So the rear is at the other side, of course, as I pointed out earlier. You've got this great garden space here. And then across here, you've got your garage as well. So again, lots of space, really nice sitting area here. But just look at all the design of the garden. Isn't it wonderful? It's a really great space. It's completely enclosed as well. No one is really overlooking you. It's just absolutely stunning. Just such a lovely place to be. And as I say, you've got parking at the rear of the property as well. But it's so lovely, isn't it? I could literally sit in this garden all day. But I just want to really let you see what's on offer. And this is the gate, as I say, that takes you down Church Road now to the beach. But it's so nice, isn't it? Look at that. It's a stunning house. So just to recap, this is the personal property tour for Rose Cottage, Church Road in Leven. It is an immaculate 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3 reception, separate utility room. You also have that study. You've got your garage, you've got off-street parking, you've got this beautiful, beautiful garden, and just that gorgeous house behind you there as well. The location could not be better. Literally, you're just walking down that road and you're at Leven Beach. So you've got everything that has to offer. You're going the opposite direction, you're right into the high street as well. It's just a few minutes walk. You're maybe about a 5-minute walk and you're at the train station. So again, Leven Train Station on your doorstep. What a brilliant commute. Easy to get to Edinburgh. It's a fantastic location. You've got that gorgeous beach. You've got all those golf courses. You can walk along that beach to Lower Largo towards London Links, where you've got, obviously at Lower Largo, you've got the Crusoe, you've got the Railway Inn. Again, you can walk to Silverburn Park, Lethem Glen. Great countryside walks, lovely cycling routes around here as well. Lots of activity with that golf options you've got here as well. The high street on your doorstep, you've got the tapas bar, you've got everything that has to offer in the high street as well. Your shops, your bakers, your butchers. You've also got some pubs, and if you want entertainment, there's always something going on. Again, if you're going towards Lethem Glen, you've got Agenda, so that's a great cocktail bar and restaurant. So much on your doorstep. It's a great location, wonderful lifestyle, and the commute as well. You're on the bus links at the front here, but the fact you've got that railway station right there as well is fantastic. If you think this one's of interest to you, all the details are in this post, and also the important price point as well. Likewise, you can message me here directly, and you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at 5 Properties TV, feeling completely relaxed, it must be said. And I'm just going to end by letting you see the house again. It is just a stunner, isn't it? Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.